What's up guys, today I will be unboxing this Super RS3M 2022, so yeah, let's just jump into it. And this is the ball core, maglev, all the good stuff. Alright, so let's just jump ahead and open it.
Nice.
Feeling. What's that sound? Anyways, first we got this accessories box, and I think we all know what's inside, just MoYu accessory. Wait a minute. Oh, so we got a ball core. As you can see, it's magnetic because it sticks, so you get an extra golden ball core, which is pretty cool. And then we got
a cube.
Beautiful. So, let's open this guy up. I got this from the cube. Alright, so first turns, looks pretty good. First turns. Ooh, that is fast. That is very fast. Box up a little bit. There's the logo. It's super tight, and as you can see, insides are gold, which is pretty cool actually. So this cube is pretty fast. I'd say the designs on the center caps are really cool. It feels pretty like sandy and like glossy at the same time. Yeah, it's super fast and pretty smooth. Wide moves feel good. You can feel the magnet tension is pretty nice. It's about the same as the RS3M 2020, and it has this little scale design, kind of like the YS3M, but not as like indented. Yeah, I think it's pretty sweet cube. I would say it's too fast for my liking. Like, I can do this very fast, and it just kind of goes by itself, right? So, a little too fast for me. I would probably loosen it a bit, because it's very tight, and M moves are fine. I think, for some reason, I feel like speeding up M moves are good, and then, like, slowing down middle turns, because it just feels too glidey, I guess. It's like dry inside, so no lube. Let's look at the inside. Okay, so inside we have the dual adjustment system, and then there's magnets there. It's basically all there is to see. There's obviously a spring, and it's going to be like that in every single center cap. For 20 bucks, I feel like this is a pretty fair cube. I would definitely recommend this to anyone starting out. I feel that maybe X-Man start out and then V3, and then after that go on to this one, because it just feels like a good upgrade and it's very fast. So let's check the corner cutting. Reverse. Okay, so you can go pretty far for reverse. Okay, so it can go about 45 degrees, maybe a little less. So it's pretty good. That's all there really is much to say. I like the color design. To the RS3M, you can kind of tell this one is more, I don't know, it just feels newer, I guess. This one is just flatter, and this one's for the centerpiece. Obviously, you can see it's like they made it look have more depth. And compared to the RS3M, the insides, as you can see, this one is about the same technique adjustment. And in size, I would say the RS3M is I think they're about the same. This one feels bigger, and I feel like the RS3M is heavier. So if you're into that, then RS3M is the way to go. So yeah, let's do some solves. We're gonna use the J-perm strategy. First solve is how good it is. Oh gosh. Alright, let's try the RS3M. By the way, the Super isn't lubed yet, so that can cause some effects to the times. So I guess I'm a little rusty. I definitely have not been practicing 4x4. Alright, it's official. RS3M is better. Just kidding. This cube is pretty good. I would definitely recommend it. It's very fast though. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the later.